The MANN+HUMMEL Digital Filter Suite captures the status of the filtration systems for all vehicles in your fleet. You can easily see an overview of your vehicles and take appropriate action if needed. The data from your vehicles and their filters will be automatically transferred into your cloud for fast and easy access. This ensures flexible and safe storage for all of your machine data as well as a centralized overview. In a detailed view, you can see more information on the status of your individual vehicles. Features including operating status, system alerts, engine hours, predicted service deadlines and more are available at a glance, anywhere, anytime. In addition, you get an accurate prediction of the status of your filters and fluids in detail. The MANN+HUMMEL algorithms continuously calculate the maximum time that a filter can safely and effectively protect a system without compromising performance. Besides the overview of an entire fleet and the detailed status of each vehicle, users can learn more about the different filter lives. All easily accessible via the telematics system. For example, cabin air quality. Indoor air pollution is up to 5 times higher than outdoors. Pollutants from the outside enter the vehicle's cabin. Hence, the air pollution in the vehicle interior increases, which poses a danger to the driver, who often spends hours in the cabin. With our digital filter suite, you can easily check the status of the cabin air quality of your vehicles and protects the health and safety of the operator. Intelligent cabin air filter systems from MANN+HUMMEL determine the air quality inside and outside the cabin and adapt to protect operators. Besides the overview of an entire fleet and the detailed status of each vehicle, users can learn more about the different filter lives. All easily accessible via the telematics system. Keeping a close eye on fleet information proves to be an absolute cost and time saver, reducing waste and minimizing downtime. With our digital filter suite, users are alerted in advance if a filter change is required, ensuring they can take action to avoid unplanned downtime and keep the operation running smoothly. Another great feature within the app is the predictive service. This function checks the status of all filters and fluids in the vehicle and recommends an optimized service interval to maximize runtime and minimize service costs and downtime. Automatic filter recommendations can be provided to match the best products for specific applications. Our digital filter suite offers optimized planning, improved schedule reliability, reduced total cost of ownership, and improved customer satisfaction.